Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Installing checkpoint models in Stable Diffusion using the automatic1111 web UI involves several steps. This tutorial will guide you through the process, including code examples where applicable. Prerequisites. 1. Python. Ensure you have Python 3.8 or higher installed. You can download it from Python's official website, https://www.python.org/downloads. 2. Git. You will need Git to clone the repository. Download it from Git's official website, https://git-scm.com/downloads. 3. CUDA. If you are using a GPU, make sure you have the appropriate version of CUDA installed. Check the compatibility with your GPU. Step 1. Clone the automatic1111 repository. Open a terminal, command prompt, PowerShell, or a terminal emulator on Linux, and clone the automatic1111 stable-diffusion-webui repository. Bash. Git clone https://github.com/automatic1111/stable-diffusion-webui.git. cd stable-diffusion-webui. Step 2. Set up a virtual environment, optional but recommended. Creating a virtual environment is a good practice to avoid package conflicts. Bash. Python venv. Source venv/bin/activate on Windows. Use venv/scripts/activate. Step 3. Install required dependencies. Install the necessary dependencies using pip. Bash. Pip install our requirements.txt. Step 4. Download checkpoint models. 1. Find checkpoint models. You can find various models on repositories like Hugging Face Model Hub or directly from community sources. For example, Stable Diffusion 1.4 can be downloaded from here, https://compvis/stable-diffusion-v-1-4-original. To download the model, download the .ckpt file of the model you want to use. 3. Place the model in the correct directory. Create a folder named model/stable-diffusion/ inside the stable-diffusion-webui directory if it doesn't already exist. Move your downloaded .ckpt file into this folder. Example command to move the file, adjust the path accordingly. Bash. mv/path/to/your/model.ckpt model/stable-diffusion/. Step 5. Launch the web UI. Run the following command to start the web server. Bash. Python app.py. Step 6. Access the web UI. Open your web browser and go to http://localhost 7860. You should see the automatic1111 Stable Diffusion interface. Step 7. Select the model. 1. In the web interface, look for a drop-down menu where you can select the model you just added. 2. Choose your newly added checkpoint model from the list. Step 8. Generate images. Now you can start generating images using your selected model. Adjust the settings, input your prompts, and hit the Generate button. Example code snippet. Here's a simple example of how you might programmatically load a model checkpoint in Python if you were to work with the model directly, outside the web interface. Python. From diffusers import Stable Diffusion pipeline. Load the model. Model_id equals path/to/your/model.ckpt. Pipe equals Stable Diffusion pipeline.from_pretrained, model_id. Generate an image. Prompt equals a fantasy landscape. Image equals pipe, prompt, images 0. Save the image. Image.save, output.png. Conclusion. You have successfully installed a checkpoint model in Stable Diffusion using the automatic1111 web UI. Now you can experiment with different models and generate various images based on your prompts. Happy generating!